I'm here today with the Eufy security system. I got my little camera up there. I've got a camera outside, right over there, and then the home base right near the door. And now I'm going to add a chime for my Eufy video doorbell. So let's open this one up and see how easy this is to add to the whole system. So I got a little pull tab right here. And let's open this up. A small booklet, quick start guide. Oh, we got a power supply right here, power cable. I live in the EU, so I got the UK one and then the European one. But of course, if you're in the US, you're buying this, you get the USA plug right there. And it's just a little chime that you can plug in right into the socket. So this here's what it is. And then you get these plugs that you can add to it, right? So you get the US one. And here we have the little Eufy base. So let's start plugging this in and see what we can do. So I have a socket right here near the door. So let's plug this in. It immediately starts turning green. And let's see if we can add this in the Eufy app. So you have the Eufy security app, but you probably already have that if you have the video doorbell that you want to use this with, right? So now you can go into Home and then click the plus icon, add device. And then you can search for, oh, it's already detected, so I don't even need to search for it. Video doorbell chime 2. So let's add that step, twist the lock. We already did that. Plug it into a wall outlet, we did that. And then sync. Press the sync button for 2 seconds. And the LED is flashing blue.
Ready for setup.
Oh, okay, that's really quick. Next, it's connecting right now. It should be done in just a couple of seconds. Okay, and then select the Wi-Fi network so you can use this over Wi-Fi. And that's added successfully in just a couple of seconds. And now a few steps to get the most out of it. The latest firmware is available. So let's update that. I'm not 100% sure why I want a new firmware. Perhaps the Wi-Fi is better in the new firmware, that sort of thing. Or they took out some bugs or something like that. But now it's updating. Okay, and that's done. So the update probably took the longest of this whole installation process, about 5 minutes, but the rest you can do in under a minute. So that's pretty cool. And then you can set the device location and you can call it something like chime. You give it your own name. You can have multiple chimes, have one in the hallway and then one inside or one in the attic if you're there a lot and you want to be able to hear, right? So that's pretty cool. You set that chime ringtone. You can set the volume separately, so that's pretty cool. You can do silent, default, a beacon. What's that like? Oh. So you can do different ones. And we're done setting this up. And then you can see this in your devices here with your other device, your cameras, that sort of thing. And the chime in there as well. You can click in it and change the settings if you want. You can click it on Do Not Disturb, which is pretty cool. So you can start using this with your doorbell. And now when we click the doorbell, let's take you along with me here. So when you click the doorbell, you can immediately start hearing that chime. So that immediately works. So pretty cool, right out of the box, set up in under a minute, update in about 5. So very nice. And I hope this video has helped you make your choice.